Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful floral motif in the series of granny squares, and it is titled as Pretty Posy. So the posies are inside and it's a pretty posy stitch, and it has got a three-dimensional effect. And we can use this motif as per the requirement of our project. So without much delay, let us go into the video and learn how to make this. With color A, make a magic ring. Secure it. Place one double, chain 3, 2 doubles. Now chain 3, 2 doubles 7 times. Totally we need to have 8 sets of 2 doubles and 8 sets of chain 3 spaces. So continue in the round, the stitch pattern, and complete it. I shall complete and get back to you. Come to the end of the round here. Now chain 3. Complete the first 2 DC set by placing a double. Slip stitch to the first DC and fasten off. I shall slip stitch, fasten off, and get back to you. For round 2, take the right side and take the second color, make a slip knot, slip stitch and join to one of the chain 3 spaces. And make 3 trebles between the 2 doubles of the first round. Three trebles in each of the spaces between 2 doubles, so you'll have 8 sets of 3 doubles and 8 sets of slip stitch. Slip stitch to the next chain 3 space and continue this round. Continue this round, complete it, slip stitch and join to the first slip stitch and fasten off. Okay, continue. I will get back when the round is complete. I have completed the round. I have slip stitched to the very first slip stitch, joined, and I'm going to fasten this off now and hide this yarn under the stitches. I shall get back with the third round with third color. With the right side facing, join with the slip stitch to one of the first round chain 3 spaces with the slip stitch. Chain 3, and in the next chain 3 space make 3 doubles, we are working on the chain 3 space of the first round. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. So continue this. We'll have 4 corners with 3 doubles and 8 sets of chain 3 spaces. So continue the round. I shall complete and get back. We have come to the end of this round here. Now chain 3, slip stitch to the first slip stitch and fasten off. So slip stitch and fasten off. I shall also slip stitch, fasten off, and get back to you. Okay. Now with right side facing, join color A. Either start working from the corners, but I'm not going to start working from the corners. I'm going to work from the chain 3 space, join with the slip stitch to the slip stitch chain 3 space, and we're going to come and end over here. So I'm not going to complete this stitches in the chain 3 space. Now I'm going to place only 2 doubles, chain 3 and 1 double, or 2 doubles. I'm going to come and complete the last double here. So I've done 2 doubles here. Next 3 doubles in the next chain 3 space. Three doubles in the next chain 3 space. Now we come to the corner. So between the first 2 DCs of 3 DC, 3 DCs, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles in between the next 2 DCs of 3 DC. Now 3 doubles in the next chain 3 space. This is the pattern repeat. I mean stitch repeat for this particular round. So every chain 3 space will have 3 doubles, and the 3 in between the DCs of 3 DCs we are going to make the corners, working 2 DCs between first 2 DCs chain 3 and 3 DCs between the second and the third DC of 3 DC sets. So continue this. I have almost completed half of it. Continue the other half. I should also complete and get back. I've come to the end of the round here. Now I have to place my first 1 DC in the chain I started with to complete the set, and then slip stitch to the first DC and fasten this off. So I shall be back with round 5, which is the last round. So that round we are going to do with the third color. With right side facing, slip stitch with the third color that we had used in any of the corners. Secure it, and let us make the first half corner. So we are going to place 2 doubles for the half corner, or 1 double, chain 3, 2 doubles. We'll come and complete the round by placing 1 double as the last stitch in the corner. And then place 1 double each on each of the stitches we did in the last round. In the corners we are making 2 doubles, chain 3, 2 doubles. So complete the round. I shall complete and get back. So in the corners we make 2 doubles, chain 3, 2 doubles, and all over on each of the stitches we make 1 double crochets all around. Come to the end of this round here, last round. Make the last double crochet in the corner to complete the corner. Slip stitch and join and complete this side, and here we go. Completed our pretty posy square. This is a small motif with very few rounds, and it makes a beautiful ornament on your wearables, on your projects and all that, and the posies lift up and give a 3-dimensional effect. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Do post your feedback on the comments, and if you would like to have the written pattern please request in the comment section with your email IDs. I shall post it to your mail IDs. Okay. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day, friends.